Hello everyone, I am an electrical engineer at Lidding. Today I'd like to walk you through the installation process of a 2-ton purification tank. This is the main unit of our equipment. This is the control cabinet. These are the accessories supplied with the equipment, including the fan, pipe fittings, solenoid valve, and installation tools. The installation tools and connecting pipes are to be provided on site. After receiving the shipment, first, hire professional installers to bury the main unit underground. When burying the unit underground, ensure the proper orientation of the inlet and outlet. Here is the inlet, and here is the outlet. This is the pipe that connects to the air pump. This pipe connects to the solenoid valve. Let's designate this one as pipe A, and this one as pipe B. Let's skip over the burying process, and now demonstrate the piping connection. First, mount the fan inside the control cabinet. This is the vent. Take out the accessories for the fan. Both connection methods are acceptable. The T-pipe is connected to the fan hose. All pipe joints must be sealed with adhesive. The rule is to apply sealant to any pipe installation going forward. This line is for aeration and connects to pipe B on the main unit. Install a solenoid valve on this pipe and then connect it to pipe A on the main unit. Take out the solenoid valve. It is required to wrap the connections with sealant tape on site. The solenoid valve has an arrow on it. Ensure this arrow faces downward when installing. After installation is complete, then place the fan inside the control cabinet. A union needs to be installed separately on each pipe to facilitate future installation and disassembly. We should now pass the fan's electrical lines through the bottom of the control cabinet. For on-site installation, the fan cable needs to be cut and stripped, revealing 3 internal conductors: a brown wire, a blue wire, and a green or yellow earth wire. Connect the brown wire to terminal U1 and the blue wire to terminal V1. Connect the green or yellow earth wire to this point. Connect the solenoid valve wiring to U2 and V2. L and N stand for the live and neutral power lines.